Hi guys, a little bit excited. This has just arrived, which I'm fairly certain I know what it is. So we'll have a look at that in a second. First of all, if you're watching, I'm pretty sure that somewhere in amongst my subscribers the new owner of this is watching. Thank you very much. So that's sold, which I'm quite pleased about. I was reluctant to sell it, really reluctant to sell it. Then thought, oh, I'll list it on Gearbasket and just see what happens. Kind of hoping that nobody would buy it. Woke up this morning and it's gone. These are going to be the scales for the number 2, which are carbon fibre, hunter orange, carbon fibre liners, hunter orange bolsters. So I'll be cracking on with that today, amongst other things. Not checked all the comments to see what you'll make of this yet, but I'll do that in a minute. But yeah, we'll use the Bulldog. Right, first thing I'm going to do is hide Milo, because Milo will start eating that. Tigger says hello. Pinky's out, Brother Marshall. I reckon this must be Eskimo poop. Propane. Reuse some of this. Yeah, I'll definitely recycle some of this. Definitely. It's enough there to last me a while. Industrial cling film. There we have an airflow adjuster. That is, I'm assuming, the base block. I like this cling film. And see how certainly a lot of effort gone to packaging it anyway. There's two reasons why I went for a propane forge instead of an electric one. First of all was the cost, and secondly, I'm not exactly a prepper, but if shit does hit the fan and the power grids go down, which in my personal views is probably the biggest likely collapse of society, then as long as I can find tool steel in the form of rasps, files, old knives, and I can find propane, which, let's face it, wouldn't take long to find propane, I can still make knives. Pressure regulator. It's quite well constructed as well, machined body. Instructions in Lithuanian, very useful. Tell you what, man, the hose clips look quite good quality. Yeah, more packaging material, and finally, this is doing my back and sitting like this. Oh. I might fill that actually, but essentially we have a forge. And size wise, some fairly decent sized knives in there, I think. Can certainly do batches of 4, assuming that I can get heat all the way to the edge. Well, looking forward to trying this out.